Good morning, students. I K Misra, your mathematics teacher, once again present here to proceeding the revision session. Students, today I am going to proceed the revision of exercise 2E of exercise chapter 2 factors and multiples of R. Sarvagu. Students, in the previous video of the revision session, I discussed how will you factorize numbers and how will you find HCF of two numbers or more numbers by factorization methods and division method. Today, students, now we will know here find the LCM of two or more numbers by prime factorization method and by division method. So students, let's now start. Here you have to find LCM of 24, 36 and 40 by prime factorization method. So students, first of all, do find its prime factors of all of these 24, 36 and 40. Here find factorize it by 2, here 12, 2, 6, 3. That means you can write here 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now factorize 36 to 18 to 9 3 here 3. That means you can write here 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, and then factorize 40 20 by 2 10 2 5. That means students, you can write here 40 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Students, here we have to find the LCM. That means students, first of all here find the HCF of the number, and you know how will you find the HCF by prime factorization method. That means you observe which number is common in all of these numbers, which factors is common in all of these numbers. Here 2 2 2, here 2 2 and 2, and then students here 2 is not common in both. So students, here in all of these, here students 3 3 and not 3 is present in all of these. So students, here 3 is not. Here you write its HCF. HCF is 4. 2 into 2. Students, in LCM you write all of that factors which is common in all of these one times. That means write first of all its HCF. Here HCF is equal to 4. Students, here HCF is equal to 4. That means 2 into 2. For finding the LCM, students, after that observe which two factors is common in at least two number. Here students, here observe 1 3 and here 3 is common in both of these. Now students, here 2 1 2 and here 2, here both of these are common, and 1 3 and 1 5 is not common in anyone. So students, observe here, first of all write this common, that means HCF is 1 times, so its LCM is equal to, first of all write 2 into 2 into 2, that means this is the HCF. And now write the factors which is common at least in two numbers. Here 2 and 2, and write 1 times. Here write 2. This is common, and then here 3 and 3 is common in this. So 1 times write 3, and then remaining numbers. So into 3 into 5. I think this will clear, and then you multiply. So 5 into 3, 15, 15 into 3, 45, 45 to 90 into 90, and 90 4, and 4 is equal to 36, 360. So students, its LCM becomes 360. This is the method of finding the LCM by prime factorization. Students, here I can give another example. After that understanding, again this, all of this by division method, how will you find the LCM of this number? Here students, I am going to proceed find the LCM by prime factorization method of numbers. Now students, we will know here, find the LCM of the numbers by division method. That means you have to divide the numbers by its prime factors. So students, here observe how will you find the LCM by by division method. Students, in division method you have to divide by its factor if at least two numbers is divisible by that factor. That means students, suppose here you have to find LCM of same previous question 24, 36 and 40 by division method. Here students, first of all write 24, 36 and 40, and observe students, here you 24 is divisible by 2, 36 is divisible by 2 and 40 is also divisible by 2. That means at least you observe when two number, if here suppose only 24 is divisible by 2 but this number is not divisible by 2, then you can't divide all of these by 2. But if two numbers, here suppose 24 and 36 will divisible by 2, then you can divide it by 2. And first of all check by smallest prime number. Here a smallest prime number is 2. So first of all divide all of this, here 2, and divide it by 2, then it will be 12. When it is divisible by 2, divided by 2, then it will get 18. And when it will it divided by 2 will get 20. Again students, observe all of these are divisible by 2. So again divide 6, here 9 and here 10. Students, observe here 6 is divisible by 2, 9 is divisible by 2 and 9 is not divisible by 2 and 10 is divisible by 2. Here 6 and 10 is divisible by 2. That means two numbers here that will divisible by 2. So you can divide here by 2. But here if only one number is divisible by 2, then you can't divide it by 2. So student, here two numbers is divisible, so divide it by 2. Here 3, and if it is not divisible by 2, then repeat it, and here it will be divisible by 5. Again observe here students, this and this will divisible by 3. So you divide it by 3, 1 times, 3 times and 5 times. Students, here when you divide, and now 3 and 5 we no common, so again you multiply all of these factors. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. And students, when you multiply it, 5 into 3, 15, 15 3, 45, 45 to 90 and 94, 360. So students, observe the same answer when you factorize these numbers by prime factorization method and then division method 360. That means student, similarly you can find the LCM and LCM of the numbers by prime factorization method and division method as you told in question. If students, when you have to given two numbers, suppose here, and find the LCM and LCF, if product of the numbers is given, suppose here remark very important things. One number product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. LCM into HCF of that number. That means here if two number is given, first number into second number is equal to LCM into HCF. If students two number are given, suppose here 20 and 30 are two numbers that is given, and here HCF it is given, HCF is equal to 10. Here HCF is given 10, HCF is equal to 10. Then you have to find LCM. So students, use this fact. Here LCM is equal to first number into second number, first number into second number, and divided by HCF. So students, here LCM becomes 20 into 30 and divided by 10, 1010, and that means here 60. 60 is the LCM of this number. Clear students? Similarly, you can find all of these type of questions. Now students, here a very important question is asked as given in your exercise 2E. Find the smallest or least number that will divided by the following numbers, then remainder be a number is given. This type of question be done to find the LCM of this number and then add the number. Here students, I write a question. Students, here question number 22 is given in exercise 2E of RSL Bagu. Students, here find the least number which when divided by 25, 40 and 60 leaves 9 as remainder in each case. So students, here find the least number, lowest number that will divided by all of this number and then remainder be 9. So students, this type of question be done as first find the LCM of this, and you know, find the LCM method. Here LCM of 25, 40 and 60 becomes 25, 40 and 60. Here students, be easy to find the LCM by division method. So find the LCM of this, you know, here it will be divisible by 2, both of this, and it not divisible by 2. That means students, here two numbers is divisible, so you have to divide it by 2. Then here 25 and here 20 and here 30. This also be divisible by 2, so divided by 2. That means here 25 and here 10 and here 15. Students, after that this and this no one are divisible here except 10. These are and these are not divisible by 2, so not divided by 2. So divided by 5, here 5, 2 and 3. Students, after that no one thinks is common, so its LCM becomes 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 2 into 3. Friends, when you multiply it 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 2 into 3, is equal to 600. 600. Now students, observe here, 600 is the least number that will divisible by all of these. But here question is asked, when divide the least number by all of these, then get remainder 9. So students, the least number, required least number, when you add 9 in this, so required answer, required number is equal to 600 plus 9, that means 609. Clear students? Students, here I write two questions. Observe, read the carefully. Find the greatest number of 5 digits exactly divisible by 9, 12, 15, 18 and 24. Students, for this type of question, here first of all write the greatest number of 5 digits. Here you know greatest number of 5 digits V 59. And students, write and divide this greatest number of 5 digits by LCM of all of these. Here you can find the LCM of all of this and divide this. The when here remainder be something, then subtract the remainder in this number, and that number, when you subtract the remainder in this number, then that number be the required answer. I think you understand the process. Students, when you don't understand, then again back the video and again watch. Now students, here go in another question, proceed in another question. Here in this question, find the greatest number of 6 digits which is exactly divisible by 16. Here ask question that will exactly divisible by 16. That means students of all write greatest number of 6 digits and then divide it by 16, and if something remainder, then required number becomes 9999969 minus remainder be your required answer. I think students, after watching the complete this revision session video, you can complete your revision of exercise 2E to test paper 2. Students, in next day I will proceed in new chapter 3. So students, today's class is over. That's all. Thank you.